wings of fly, and I am background in actually biology. Anyhow, I am trying to show something. And before as the wings of fly, that's involved with the mechanical and physics related formula. And for that, last started with one formula that's behind this our Mendel's law. Just one for 1 minute. After this, let me cover this my today's topic. I request one of my colleagues please immediately. Yes, I ask you. Take this. Yes. So be there. Just choose one which is longer one, please. Here is shorter one and longer one. Tall one, this is. Choose one from collect here. Okay, and then you collect one short one. It represents the pea plant. So our great scientist Premadhar Johann Mendel tried with this pea plant about the monohybrid process, where we get some formula mathematics. So you just give is capital T. Yes. Yes, capital T. Mark as capital T. Okay, this small t. Okay, then it's represent pure tall, it represent pure dot. And now you have to cross with this and you will get this result. So what will be the hybrid? Yes, just capital T and small t both. Not
No, you write it.
Just mark is T,
Capital T, small t.
small t. Okay, then you collect. First here, you will keep one here, one here, one here. Okay, not required others. But you mark actually that's progeny. That's let me cover it. So first is capital T. Here is capital T. Small t. Sorry. Small t and small t. And what's other left? That is capital T from here small t. One more left. That is capital T and capital T. So you just mark CT, TT,
You make a Punnett square.
so
right?
at exactly which Punnett square also you can express. So this one first pure tall pure dot will get hybrid where genetic material will be the T and T. And after cross this next generation, you will get one hybrid T, another hybrid T, and another hybrid T, dot one, and lastly this one. That is 3 tall, physically 3 tall, and 1 is dot. That is 3:1 ratio. This is the monohybrid cross of Mendel's law. Okay, let us. Thank you so much. So let us start with our wings of flight. Again, I request one of my colleagues, please, Hari. Just bird flying, that's in the school level, that one famous sentence, if I were a bird, I could have fly in the sky. But we are unable to fly in the sky. Why? Just you do like this. Yes, but for some time also you can do, but not for many times. But birds can do. Why? Just you see, observe. Why birds can do this? They have powerful muscle. they have powerful muscle, suprachiasmatic and pectoralis muscle. These two powerful muscles help these birds to flip their wing. So here it is, I am unable to show the muscle actually, but these two structures represent such type of condition. So this is the one important advantages of the birds that, thank you so much, that can birds fly for many times with the help of the wing, with the help of this suprachiasmatic and pectoralis muscle. Moreover, because their 5 to 6% of the total body weight is bone, but our human 10 to 15% of the body weight. So this is the disadvantage of human and advantage of the birds that can carry their body easily. So one more. So this very lightweight of the birds that already I mentioned, like the bone, their feather weight also almost similar, 6 to 10% of the total body weight. So these two important advantages help to birds to fly. One more important thing is that you see, when we are coming from Guwahati to Bangalore, and some other colleagues also coming from Delhi or another places, maybe avoid flight, but on the atmosphere, we are did not feel suffocation because we get oxygen that is actually available, that is preserved in this aircraft. But nature created birds like that, they have this system. They can long distance, they can cover even sea, albatross or other birds. They can move very far distance without run out of air. How it is possible? We have lung, birds also lung. Moreover, the lungs of the birds, they have such air sacs, about 5 posterior, anterior, abdominal, different air sac is there, so that they contain much more air, so that during their flight, during their migration to another country or another state, they did not feel the air suffocation. This is one very important advantages of the birds during their flight. And so already I mentioned that as I am not belongs from a physics background, so anyhow let me try with this. So many of you already know about this. Ultimately, what is principle? That is, low pressure zone is created upper part of the birds when they are flying. That day, Balakrishnan sir, one of the pioneer and retired principal of this area, he also demonstrated and he advised to some which animation. That's why I prepared this one to show the animation to attract the children during demonstration of such type of project. So this upper part indicating the blue color, low pressure zone during flight, and this is the high pressure. So that's why it's bound to lift up the birds. So otherwise,